Welcome back guys to my channel. This is Gunbait channel from the Philippines. So today we will gonna battle test these two Beyblades from Rapidity. This is the Bigbang Pegasis with different color scheme, and this is Diablo Nemesis from Rapidity also. This is the combo. As you can see, this is not a rubber, it's just a plastic. So race to 5, let's begin. First, the Bigbang Pegasis. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. So this is the winner. 1-0. Defeated. So second round. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. So as you can see, this is the winner again. This is the loser, defeated. This one is lack of stamina. This one is more on stamina. Balance. 2-0. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Still the winner. 3-0. Defeated. Again. 3-0. Fourth round. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. So as you can see, defeated. The winner. Okay, last battle for 1. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, bad lunch. Again, I will relaunch this, okay? Three, two, one, go. 3, 2, 1, go. So this is the winner. Defeated. So it concludes that this is the winner, more stronger. So thank you guys for watching. This is the battle test from Rapidity, Bigbang Pegasis versus the Diablo Nemesis. Please hit like to my video and hit the subscribe button to my channel. So this is Gunbait channel. Hope you guys enjoy my video and see you on my next video. Thank you.